Hey guys, so just this issue that I've come up against with the Samsung Odyssey G7. So we have all the picture modes and everything is grayed out. So it's really interesting. So in this video, I've got to try and figure out how can I make all of these settings available to us. So right now we've just got the FreeSync on, everything else, as you can see, is fully grayed out. So it'd be interesting trying to solve this issue and sharing how to actually do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we are going to turn off this FreeSync option, and that allows us to have more options available to us. And then we'll go back to this main menu. Alright, so we do have the refresh rate, we have response time, we have all these now available to us, but for picture mode, it's not actually solved the problem. Maybe the problem is that we have HDR turned on. So we can view our calibration, see, okay. So calibration, it's just general calibration stuff. What we might do in the console is actually turn off HDR. So if I go System, HDMI, if I go Screen and Video Settings, go all the way down, you can turn off HDR. What actually happens? Let's have a look. Okay, HDR is now turned off on the actual console. Now the picture mode is actually available to us. So that sorts that problem out. So it's a very interesting and specific issue with the PS5 that if you have HDR turned on, you can't actually access all these picture modes and customize all your settings. And you can only do it with HDR turned off on the Samsung Odyssey G7. So hopefully that actually solves that issue, and then you can get the best out of all your colors and everything. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know how to actually do this and solve a lot of these grayed out issues.